Well, this breaking input is coming in from Chandigarh, where Chandigarh's mayor has resigned ahead of the Supreme Court's hearing. 3 Aam Aadmi Party councillors have also quit and joined BJP. So these are the latest inputs we are getting in a new twist a day before the Supreme Court's hearing over the mayoral polls in Chandigarh. BJP's mayor Manoj Sonkar on Sunday had tendered his resignation from the post. So these are the latest input that we are getting in. 3 Aam Aadmi Party councillors have also quit and rather joined BJP. So this is another blow that we're talking about on Aam Aadmi Party. But right now what inputs that we are getting in is that in a new twist, a day before the Supreme Court's hearing over the mayoral polls in Chandigarh, Bharatiya Janata Party's Mayor Manoj on Sunday tendered a resignation from his post. Now this comes in a day before this entire situation's plea was supposed to be heard in the Supreme Court. Now joining us on the broadcast is Aman Bhardwaj. A very good morning, Aman. What more details do we have about this resignation that comes in exactly a day before the court hearing?
See, that resignation before a day in hearing at Supreme Court also matters, and 3 of the councillors of Aam Aadmi Party, which been named Poonam Devi, Neha Mohawat, they also joined BJP a day before the matter is being heard in Supreme Court. So that also make a clear indication towards mayor elections that that's making a political scenario in Chandigarh, that now 17 of councillors that BJP is holding, the Manoj who resigned from the mayor post. Now the 3 of the councillors which joined BJP from Aam Aadmi Party could have been a political deal that one of the councillors from Aam Aadmi Party who joined BJP recently, yesterday, will be can be the mayor candidate for the BJP. But what matters being heard in Supreme Court and what Supreme Court directs, because likely there is a chance that Supreme Court can direct for a new sort of a scenario for the electoral counting or the votes for the mayor elections in Chandigarh MC. So
right.
That should be seen in Supreme Court, but that 3 of the MC that joined from Aam Aadmi Party to the BJP and resigning of a mayor candidate, mayor who was holding the post of mayor, Manoj in MC, his resignation also clear indicates that now the 17 of the councillors that BJP is holding can make a new post, new face for the mayor, and can likely to be from the Aam Aadmi Party who joined BJP. So
right.
that all has to see with the political scenario, but it just bringing it a new political scenario because it's been in the most of the discussion in last 15 days, the mayor elections of the Chandigarh. But now when Aam Aadmi Party's 3 of the councillors joined, so it's changing the political scenario for the Chandigarh and adjoining states Punjab and Haryana, because it was the Indian Alliance which was being defeated by the BJP.
Right. Aman, help us also understand. Now this development is coming in the backdrop of the Supreme Court already taking a stern view of the video that had been doing rounds on social media. But with this resignation coming to fore, how will this impact the overall probe in the Chandigarh mayoral elections?
See, that's to be seen in the Supreme Court, what Supreme Court observes for the video or what new things that Supreme Court directs. But likely, as I also mentioned, that if any chance that Supreme Court directs which goes anti the political results which came for the mayor elections or anti-BJP, so can be now BJP is holding 17 councillors because 3 of the councillors from Aam Aadmi Party joined BJP. So if the new elections or the new dates been announced by the Supreme Court, so there are 17 of the councillors which are in favor of the BJP, and with all new sort of councillors or the elections if announced, BJP can hold again post for the for the mayor candidate, because 19 of the councillors is required to make up mayor, and BJP is already having 17 councillors. 18th vote is of the Kiran Kher, who is the MP from Chandigarh. So
Right.
that all makes a new political scenario and a way clear for a BJP in mayor elections in Chandigarh.
Right, Aman. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming back to this story as the day progresses.